Welcome back. Attention Nama J2 juicer owners and devotees. I have some new accessories for the Nama J2 and Nama universe that you're gonna need to check out. Let's review the double-sized batching hopper, the new citrus attachment, the new extra large juice pitcher, and the new juice storage bottles. And before we get started, if you'd like to see more information about these new items for yourself and grab a discount code, check the links in my description box below for all of that. Here we go. Nama revolutionized the batch juicing scene back in 2021 with their hands-free batching hopper setup on the Nama J2. And as all of you crazy J2 juicers started posting videos of your juicing experiences, Nama saw how you were using the J2 to make tons of juice at a time to optimize your time and make sure you always have fresh juice on hand. And in true Nama form, they saw some things that they could improve upon to make the juicing experience all the better. First, they saw people making large quantities of juice, but pouring the juice through a fine mesh strainer into a blender pitcher or another pitcher to make sure the juice was mixed and uniform. So they developed an extra large pitcher, giving you a 3-liter sized option in addition to the 1-liter size option that comes standard with the juicer. With the 3-liter pitcher, they include a fine mesh strainer, so if you're like me and you want to remove as much pulp as possible, you just put it on top of the pitcher and the juice is strained as it goes into the pitcher. So with this option, you no longer need to strain your juice into another vessel like a blender pitcher to get the uniform, consistent batch juice with a larger batch. With larger juice quantities comes larger quantities of pulp, so the pitcher comes with an equally large sized pulp catching container. And conveniently, the pitcher comes with an easy pour spout and a silicone sealable lid so that you can just store your juice in the fridge in bulk easily. When not in use, the pulp and juice pitcher nest together and take up very little cabinet space. I think this is a great addition for those folks who like to make big recipes all at once and to make sure the juice is strained and uniform in flavor. Next up is the citrus attachment. The J2 is already super fast to use, but when making a lot of citrus juice, it can slow things down quite a bit to peel or cut off the rind on the oranges, grapefruits, lemons, or limes. So check this out. Just take off the normal hopper and juicing attachment and pop on the citrus attachment. Then all you have to do is cut the orange or grapefruit in half and hold each half on the reamer while it does its thing. There are 2 different size reamers, one for either lemons or limes and one for oranges or grapefruits. The citrus attachment will make the same amount of juice as making it in the hopper the original way, so no difference there. But I do find the juice to be a little less thick when making it with the citrus attachment. Here again, either way you make it, either in the hopper or with the citrus attachment, you can strain the juice if you'd like less pulp using a larger pitcher strainer combo or even a regular fine mesh kitchen strainer. The citrus attachment does not fit on the original Nama J1. However, it does fit the Nama C2 juicer blender combo as well. So if you're a J2 or a C2 owner, you're in luck. Next up is the double-sized batching hopper. Nama pretty much had a lockdown on the batch juicing scene until Kuvings introduced their Auto 10 batch juicer in November. With the Auto 10 came a 100-ounce batching hopper that was almost double the size of the original 65-ounce hopper on the Nama J2. So Nama saw this benefit and decided to come out with their own version. What's the benefit of having such a large hopper? Well, just like having a bigger pitcher, you can batch up more ingredients at one time, throw more ingredients in the hopper at once, and have a longer time to multitask while the juicer is doing its thing. Are there any downsides to having a bigger batching hopper? It's a little bit bigger in its width and profile, but when it's attached, it's exactly the same height as the original hopper, so you can still slide it under your kitchen cabinets on your countertop. Honestly, I don't see any downsides to having the bigger hopper. After juicing with it, I expected there to be some ground up ingredients clinging to the side of the bigger size hopper, but I found that there wasn't really much at all. And if there was, it would be super easy to take a silicone spatula and scrape everything down to make sure it all gets juiced. And as with the citrus attachment, the large hopper doesn't work with the Nama J1, but only for the J2 and the C2 juicer blender combo. Next and last but not least, Nama came out with their own juice bottles. And in Nama's spirit of innovation, they have some really cool features. First, they are meant for you to take juice on the go. They have two different sizes of 24 and 17 ounce, which are perfect juice serving sizes. They are a substantial, durable glass weight, but don't seem overly bulky or heavy. They are sleek design, and the 24-ounce size has a silicone sleeve on the bottom for extra durability. And for taking juice on the go, they are slim and designed to fit in your vehicle cup holder. Also, one really cool feature is that Nama made the thread size for the lids to be the same as regular size ball jar lids. This especially excites me because pretty much the only other juice jars that I use are ball jars. So not only can I use the lids that come with these jars, I can also use my leak-proof ball jar lids that I love too, and that's a win-win. One last thing on the lids is that the silicone gasket comes out so you can make sure the inside of your lids are always squeaky clean. If you don't already own a Nama J2 or C2 yet, but you're about to be a new J2 or C2 owner, you might be wondering if these items are going to come standard with the J2 or C2 at the time of purchase. And the answer is no. They will be extra purchases above and beyond the original J2 and C2 pitcher hopper that come with the standard unit. At the time of your purchase, you can add whichever items, if not all of them, that you feel might be appropriate for your juicing needs. Okay, personally, I think the large hopper, the citrus attachment, and the large pitcher are very thoughtful additions to an already easy to use machine that only improve the functionality and ease of use of the J2 and the C2. And the glassware is a great juice storage or drinking vessel option no matter which juicer that you have. So if you're a dedicated Nama batch juicer and looking for some gains on your volume game, I think these new items would be great to have in your kitchen and really add a lot of value to the Nama universe of products. But that's my JuiceFeaster opinion. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Are you a J2 or C2 user, and are you gonna grab the bigger hopper, the pitcher set, or maybe the citrus attachment, the bottles, or all of it? I'd love to hear your thoughts. And as always, if you'd like to see more information about these new items for yourself and grab a discount code for them, check out the links in my description box below for all of that. That's all for now. Until we speak again, I encourage you to make lots of juice, drink it all, and stay juicy.